Our e-commerce sites come in 3 distinct levels: standard, advanced, and unlimited. Well, let's take a look at the features of each of these levels. The product limit. Standard sites are limited to 100 products. Advanced sites are limited to 2,500 products, and unlimited has unlimited products. Next is transaction fee. We don't have a transaction fee for any level of e-commerce site. Categories. We don't have a limit to a number of categories our e-commerce sites can have. Categories are important to understand, though. For example, if you were building an e-commerce site for a fishing supply or tackle company, they might have one category for saltwater tackle, another for freshwater tackle. They may have one area for lures, another area for bait. Depending upon the number of product categories, e-commerce sites can get very complex. It's important to always understand that categories by many e-commerce companies are limited. Storage. We don't have any limit to the storage on the site. Storage would include things like images, video, or graphics files of different kinds, or files for download. Our e-commerce features continued. Shopping experience. There's a whole bunch of different things related to shopping experience, and as you can see, they're included with our standard, advanced, and unlimited. But let's look at them anyway. Adaptive storefront widget, desktop, tablet, mobile. Basically, this is a storefront that will function on smartphones, tablets, and all different devices. We include this as a standard. Story search and product display filters by keywords, attributes, price range, and category. This is an advanced search functionality that we include as a standard of all e-commerce sites from us. Faceted search and product display filters by keyword. For example, the ability to filter out certain products, or filter by star rating, filter by product category, and things of that nature. That's included also as a standard. Real-time shipping estimates based upon the IP address. So based upon a person's geographic location or IP address, we do real-time shipping estimates. That's included also as a courtesy free feature. Address book for customers with profiles. We do that for free as well. Standard, advanced, and unlimited. It is an included feature. Automatic price adjustment for product options. For example, a product may have several different options on it, and we'll allow for the subtraction and addition of options. And again, that's a standard feature included at no additional charge. Our e-commerce features continued. Catalog management. E-commerce sites have catalogs. For example, there's built-in storefront translations. You may have the same store in multiple different languages. That's something that we include, again, completely for free. Inventory tracking. We do this also. It's included with our standard, advanced, and unlimited. Product options, such as drop-down, radio buttons, text, date picker, checkboxes, all these different options. That's, again, included. Stock control for options and product combinations is included with our standard, advanced, and unlimited. Next is e-goods or digital downloads. This is not included in our standard option, but is included in advanced and unlimited. In advanced and unlimited, digital downloads are restricted to 10 gigabytes. Digital download protection is not included in standard, but is included in advanced and unlimited. Multiple currency support is included in our standard, advanced, and unlimited. Multilingual support is not included in standard, but is included in advanced and unlimited. E-commerce features continued. Shipping and tax category. Automatic tax calculations for USA, Canada, UK, EU, and Australia is not included in our standard offering, but is in advanced and unlimited. Manually configurable shipping and tax zones, rates, and rules is included in our standard, advanced, and unlimited. Real-time shipping quotes for leading carriers such as UPS, USPS, FedEx, Canada Post, EMS Russian Post, Karios, and Australia Post without setting an account is included as a standard, and it is included in our standard, advanced, and unlimited package. Promotions. Discount coupons are included in our standard, advanced, and unlimited, as are volume discounts and multi-tier prices. Those are also included in our standard, advanced, and unlimited. Sync store with US or RU eBay, included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Discounts for customer groups, not included in standard or advanced, but is included in unlimited. Share products, purchases, and more on social media. It's not included in standard, but is included in advanced and unlimited. Our e-commerce features continued. Omni-channel integrations. Facebook integration app is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Sell products on Instagram. Very important feature, is included in our standard, advanced, and unlimited. Sell on Amazon and eBay is included in the standard, advanced, and unlimited. Remarketing using Google Analytics is not included in standard, but is included in advanced and unlimited, as are Google shopping feeds. Google shopping feeds are not included in standard, but are included in advanced and unlimited. Square point of sale, not included in standard, not included in advanced, but is included in the unlimited plan. Mobile store management application is not included in standard, but is included in advanced and unlimited. This app is for iOS and iOS only. Our e-commerce features, okay, continued. Customizable email notifications is included with standard, advanced, and unlimited. Order history for customers and administrators included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Order email notifications for multiple recipients included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Edit order details after purchase, not included in standard, is included in advanced and unlimited. Track payment and shipping status is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. View abandoned carts is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. And this is important to look at for the purposes of analyzing how e-commerce sites are doing. Order comments field is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Add internal notes to orders is not included in standard, but is included in advanced and unlimited. Low stock notification is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Now, our e-commerce features continued again. Data management. CSV export for order, products, and customer data is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. CSV import for product data is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Configurable measurement units, date and time formats, and currency symbol is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Search engine optimization. Direct indexing by Google is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. SEO fields for products is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. Auto-embedded product schema is included in standard, advanced, and unlimited. So we're very search engine friendly across all of our packages. Tracking and reporting. Custom tracking code on thank you page, standard, advanced, and unlimited is included. Payment gateways, 40 plus payment providers, and we accept all the big ones. That's included in all of our packages, standard, advanced, and unlimited.